Welcome back, children. Now it's time to read the chapter as I told you. That is chapter number 17 as I told you. What is the chapter name? Plants are useful. Plants are useful. Page number 96. You also do reading practice and some of the new words that you will do practice afterwards. First reading should be completed. So let's start. Plants are our green friends because they are very useful to us. This we have learned in the previous chapter. They give us food, medicines, clothes, wood, oil, paper and many other things. These also we have learned in the previous chapter. They also make our surroundings beautiful. How? We inhale and exhale. While exhaling, we are sending carbon dioxide outside, and plants take that carbon dioxide and turn into oxygen, and which we again inhale. So this way plants are making oxygen and make our surroundings clean. Okay. Now plants give us food. You can see many pictures are there, and in the exercise also we have done. Like your mother cooks in the kitchen, she prepares food. Whenever extra foods are left out, what she does? She keeps either in the fridge or gives to your maid. But plants, they prepare their own food and they store that extra food in their different parts, and which we people are eating as food. Which are that? See, plants store food in different parts. We eat these parts as food. Like root, which is under the ground. They store food and we eat radish, carrot. Stem, that is sugar cane and ginger, we are eating. Leaves, cabbage, spinach, these are the leaves we are eating. Fruits, pear, apple, banana, mango, many are there, we are eating. Seeds, peas, maize, rajma, groundnut, many are there, we are eating. Flowers, broccoli, cauliflower, we are eating as vegetable. These are the parts which plants use to store food, and we are taking it out and eat as our own food. Okay. Now in page number 97. We also get nuts from plant. Nuts you like very most. Yes? Which are the peanuts, cashew nuts. These also plants give us. Nuts are dry fruits with very hard shell. Plants grow inside the hard cells in these nuts, like groundnut. Whenever you are taking, you have to remove the shell. No? Cashew nut also same. Okay. You can see the pictures given: almond, groundnut, cashew nut. These are the nuts which plants give us. We get spices from plants. What are spices? Spices are also food items which are used to increase aroma, taste in the food which your mother is using while cooking, isn't it? Some of the pictures I am showing: cinnamon, black pepper, clove, cardamom. These are the spices. We get spices from plants. They add taste, color and aroma. Aroma means good smell, sweet smell, pleasant smell to food. We can store them for a long time. It is not spoiled. We can store. Some common spices are clove, pepper, cinnamon, cardamom, all this. Okay. Now, plants also give us tea, coffee. Your parents must be drinking tea, coffee. Sugar, cocoa powder, which are used while making shake, thick shake, ice cream. These also plants give us. Sugar also, sugar cane. Plants are used to make sugar. We get oil from plants. Oil my mother is using for cooking. Now that also plants give us. Which are how we are getting oil? See here. Coconut, groundnut, mustard, sunflower. These all are used to extract oil. Yes, plants are producing this and we people are extracting oils from these seeds and even flowers also. Okay. Plants give us tea, coffee, sugar, cocoa. We get oil from plants. We use it for cooking as medicine and for applying on hair and body. Some oil like coconut we are using on hair also, no? And some of the oils, mustard oil, some are applying their body. For the babies massaging also mustard oil are used. Okay. Not only that, you also learn plants provide shelter. It gives shelter to many animals. Plants are the home to many animals like monkeys you have seen as it is, squirrels, birds and many other types of insects live on plants and trees. It is the home for that, these animals and insects. Now turn the page number 98. That is, plants keep the air fresh. That is the main thing just now I have discussed. Plants take in carbon dioxide which we exhale and give out oxygen, and then they turn this carbon dioxide into oxygen so that we can inhale oxygen once again. Okay? Human beings and animals need oxygen to breathe. Without oxygen no living things can live, and which plants are continuously making for all living beings. It is also needed for burning. Oxygen is not only needed for our breathing. It is needed for anything to burn. Without oxygen, you have seen the demo in the school where fire brigade people are showing you that without oxygen, fire cannot be burned. Isn't it? So oxygen is needed for burning also. That is also one most important point. It makes the air fresher and clean. Oxygen makes our surrounding and air atmosphere clean. Okay. Some of the exercises are given here which we will do afterwards. First complete the reading, then new words, then we will do this exercise. Other uses of plants. We have learned that plants give us medicine. Which are the plants that give us medicine? See here. Many medicines are made from plants such as holy basil, that is tulsi, neem, eucalyptus. See pictures are given: neem, holy basil, that is tulsi, eucalyptus. These all are the plants which are used to make medicines. Now come to page number 99. You can see many pictures. I will tell you what are these. Plants give us fiber to make clothes, bag, ropes and other things. Like jute plant, you can see here, jute plant, cotton plant, then outer shell of coconut, then jute bag, cotton shirt, rope. These are the things that can be made from fiber we get from plants. That is jute, then cotton. All these are used for making this. Coconut shell, outer part which we are throwing away, that is also used for this purpose. Wood from trees like teak, deodar, sisal is used to make furniture. We are making furniture not from all trees. These are the special trees. Which are the teak, deodar, sisal. These are the trees which give us wood for making furniture. Doors and windows are also made from the wood of these trees. We also use wood as fuel. That in village people mostly they are cooking in the wooden, this burning wood, and they prepare food. Okay. Paper which we are using for writing for many purposes, that also prepare from plants and trees. Paper is made from the pulp of the bamboo trees. You have seen no bamboo trees? The bamboo trees pulp are used for making paper. We get dyes from plants like henna, indigo. You have seen that in the while washing the clothes, after washing it, indigo is mixed up. A little bit make it whiter. So this indigo, now this dye people using in this hair, that is, that also we get from plants. Which are the plants? Indigo, henna, all this. We get resin from the juice of a pine tree which is used in paints. Doors and windows are colored with paint. That paint also plants give us. Which plant? Resin. We get resin from the juice of a pine tree. Sorry, pine tree give us. From the pine tree we get resin, and that resin is used for making paint. Okay, pine tree give us paint. We get rubber from rubber tree. Rubber tree is a special type of plant. People grow it, and when it is matured, they make a hole and fix a pot. Now, drop by drop, liquid rubber will fill in that pot, and that liquid is then in the machine, in the factory, it will be processed and made into rubber. So, rubber plant or rubber tree is used for making rubber. We get gum from the juice of the stem of acacia tree. Acacia tree gives us gum, which is used for sticking things. We use petals of flowers like rose, jasmine to make perfumes. This we have learned. Perfumes we get from plants, that is jasmine, rose, these are the smelly flowers, no? So we use it for making perfumes. Dry leaves are used to make compost. What is compost? Compost is a manure which is again used in the plants for growing better way. The plant for growing better way, plants need this compost, and this is from the plants itself. It can be made in a hole. If you collect all the dry leaves and put and keep it for 1 month, and you have to put water in it every day or in alternate day. After 1 month, these dry leaves become compost, and you can use this compost as manure of the plants. So, this way compost is made and it is useful for plants. Okay. We add it to the soil to make the plants grow well. It is the nutritious food for the plant. Flowers and leaves are made of many plants are used for decoration and making bouquet. You have seen people making bouquet by using flowers and leaves. So, for the decoration purpose also, parts of plant like flowers, leaves are used. So, this is all about this chapter. We have done the reading of this chapter. Watch the video, do the reading practice. Now it's time to practice the new words related to this chapter that we have written on the board, and we will learn it. New words: spinach, S-P-I-N-A-C-H, spinach. Leaves here, eating a spoon. Cauliflower, C-A-U-L-I, cauli, F-L-O-W here, cauliflower. Flower that we use as our food. Broccoli, B-R-O-C-C-O-L-I, broccoli. Cashew nut, very tasty, C-A-S-H-E-W, cashew, and nut. Cinnamon, this is a spices, C-I-N-N-A-M-O-N, cinnamon, used in the food to make it more tastier. Cardamom, C-A-R-D-A-M-O-M, cardamom. This is also spices which your mother is using in food. Medicine, M-E-D-I-C-I-N-E, medicine. Okay, all these spellings are big one. You have to learn it properly. Squirrel, S-Q-U-I-R-R-E-L, squirrel. Okay. Oxygen, O-X-Y, G-E-N, oxygen. Plants make it continuously for all living things. Carbon dioxide, C-A-R, car, given, born, carbon dioxide, D-I-O-X-I-D-E, oxide. We are exhaling carbon dioxide. Eucalyptus, a medicinal plant. EU, Cali, C-A-L-Y, Cali, C-A-L-Y-P, Calyptus, T-U-S, tus. EU, Cali, C-A-L-Y-P, Calyptus, T-U-S, tus. She shed, this is the plant which gives us wood for furniture. S-H-E-E, she, shem, S-H-A-M, shem, perfume, P-E-R-F-U-M-E, perfume. Bouquet, B-O-U-U-U-E-T, bouquet. Actually it is bouquet, and but here T we are not pronouncing bouquet, we are saying B-O-U-U-U-E-T. So these all are the all new words related to this chapter I have written. We have done practice. Watch the video, do reading practice, learn all these new words, and in the live class be prepared to answer the questions. Clear?